good, everybody? How's it going? It's your boy Jovenel. Here we are again. The wheels are coming in today. So right now, I'm waiting for FedEx. The wheels and the tires are already mounted and balanced. Customwheels.com, that's where I bought it from. And yeah, they already got all that done. So all I have to do is just install it on the car and that's it. I'm gonna back the car up here. Tires that I got for this car are Federal 959, so I ended up purchasing these Federal 959 tire stickers. Hopefully they work, hopefully they last long. I'm not entirely sure how long they do last because this is my first time purchasing one of these tire stickers. It does come with this glue right here. Hopefully this glue works, or I'm gonna be sick if one of these letters fly out, which I'm 1000% sure it's gonna fly out. Pretty cold outside. These are my second wheel purchases I had my whole entire life, but these are probably gonna be the best. We're gonna go right now to go pick up that jack, and then you know how they take long. Mind you, I was supposed to get my wheels Monday. Today is Wednesday, so that's why. Shit. I don't know about y'all, but I'm getting bored and I need somebody to talk to, so I'm about to hit up my boy Bernie Sanders. He gonna be chilling with me until this FedEx come out. Actually, I gotta go get the jack, so he's also gonna be waiting a little bit too for that. He's gonna let me know when the FedEx is coming, so.
Every time I'm in their city, I just hit them up. It's a must. Get in touch. Get this up. Then get the fuck. Jody Montana ask me who do I trust. Tell the barber come to the crib, I need a cut. Have the car service at the airport pick me up. No security, but they still can't stick me up. List of photographers who still gon' flick me up. But can you picture me switching teams when I'm the one my niggas need? If I ever have a feast, all my niggas get a seat. No, they not no vegan, but they still running off the green. Damn, there's somebody at the door. About to take a 10-hour flight just to do a show. About to take a 10-hour flight just to link your hoe. About to take a 10-hour flight just to show the bro. It ain't where you're from, but it's about where you go. He asked me if it's limits, and I told that nigga no. Why you acting like that? Pick what you like inside the stove. Why you acting like that? If she mindin', that's your hoe. Told him watch out for this friend that's ready to turn her foe. They just waiting for the call, and at your head they gon' blow. My nana told me some shit and I just can't let it go. She said you be a fool if you dare trust your own.
Yo, I don't make this shit up, bro. Why did they pull up at the same time I was making this video? So there they are, the wheels finally came in. Look how wide these things are. So we're gonna place this camera down and we're gonna remove these plastics from it, and then we're gonna put them on the car. Hey guys, I stopped this video to tell you guys about this new sponsor called V-wick. If you guys are looking for floor mats for your Honda Accord, this is it right here. And what better way to have these floor mats when it's snowing outside, carpets are already dirty, and you need some new ones. So V-wick got you covered. When you purchase these V-wick floor mats, this is what it comes with. It comes with the passenger, the driver, and it comes with the rear seats floor mats, which is pretty cool. How it looks very heavy duty. These are non-slip design. These aren't moving anywhere unlike your traditional OEM ones. These floor mats are tough, durable. Like I said before, they're anti-slip design. You have a 5-year warranty, has full protection in case damage. These things are literally very easy to install. They protect your car upholstery. There it is, V-wick. The material that these are made from is TPE, so these are environment friendly. These are odorless, temper resistant, durable, and eco-friendly. If you guys are looking to purchase any floor mats, especially during the snow time, this is what you guys need to get right now. And they do have a very nice design on all 3 pieces that it comes with. It does come with a manual also, but I doubt that you guys are going to need the manual.
I got a cutie in the sheets, and she much rather let me be with her than be out on the streets. In Miami, driving foreign car while riding down the beach. Stuck inside my rules, so it ain't hard to reach. If I got
there it is, people. I just installed the V-wick floor mats. The rear seats, look at that. It's literally a perfect fit inside the car. Wow. Perfect fit. But look at that design. I like the design. It's not plain like the OEM ones. Look at that fit. This is what they were talking about, non-slip resistant, so this ain't moving nowhere. Now that these floor mats come with a lock that already comes with OEM for the carpets not to move, or the floor mats so they don't move. Look at that. It's clean. Alright, now I'm gonna do the passenger side and we're done. A perfect fit. The V-wick floor mats. Let me know what you guys think about that. Are you guys gonna buy these? I say they're worth it. Look at that. So thank you, V-wick. I love these floor mats. These are real good. Perfect fit. Design, eco-friendly, non-slip, 5-year warranty. They got you covered with all that. If you guys want to get your hands on one of these, I'll put the link down below to their website, and you guys can just click, buy it, and let me know what you guys think about it. Alright people, so these are the rims that I got right here. These are the Bravado Tributes. These are 19 by 10.5 with a positive offset of 45. Tell me what you guys think. Do you guys like these? I like the look. Me and my girl chose it out, so we'll see how it looks on the car. So here you go guys, here's the width. 8.5 versus 10.5. And I'm using Federal 959s. Alright people, so we got one wheel mounted on. There it is. What you guys think? Are they better than the ones that I purchased last time, the Radiates? Let me know down in the comments. I'm just gonna go ahead and put all 3 wheels on there, and then I'm gonna show you guys what they all look like. All right, people. Here are the new wheels. My son. Tell me how you guys like these new wheels. These are Bravado Performance, and I like the new look because I want something more aggressive, but these are fine for right now. I didn't drive it yet because I'm with my son right now. And me and him are probably gonna drive the car down the block to see how it is. Tell me what you guys think. You guys like them? Or should I have gotten another wheels? What you guys think? So now, next thing I'm gonna be doing, I already scheduled the appointment. I'll be lowering the car. I was supposed to get it lower last week, but I didn't buy the lower camber arm, what my mechanic told me to get, and I forgot to purchase that. That's the reason why the car isn't lower right now, but it's gonna get lower. This gap is gonna be gone soon. 19 by 10.5s with a 45 positive offset. Oh yeah, and I need to put the tire stickers on also. So these right here are the tire stickers, which are gonna get mounted right here. Here is how the wheels look. Tell me what you guys think about it in the comments below. Should I have gotten another one? Do you guys like this one? The spec for these wheels is 19 by 10.5 with a positive 45 offset. What you guys think about that wheel? And one thing I like about this is since the width of the wheel is 10.5, I used to have spacers that I don't run anymore now. It's just the wheels, since the wheels are wide enough. So now they do give you that little, just a little tiny poke. It's not even that bad, like, at all. It's like perfect. It's literally perfect fitment. Now all I have to do is just lower the car, and all I have to do is just lower the car, and then we're good. As you guys can see, right there, little poke. And yes, people, the giveaway is still up for grabs. Like I said, all I need is a picture of your stock taillights with a current date. Just need pictures of people's stock taillights, and then that's all you have to do in order to enter for these taillights. The middle of February, that's when I'll be ending this giveaway, and then we're gonna see who wins it by using a website. I believe it's called random.org or something like that. Or tell me what you guys like about the wheels. There's a little up close Bravado performance. So if you guys like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. Share this, please, so that way people could see these videos, and that way I could do more giveaways and do more content on this car. And yeah, man, so I'll see you guys on the next modification, next video. Peace out, people.